Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Now, this is quite a neat little feature where you can archive something without having to permanently delete it. Now, archiving a post will remove it from the public, but you can access them for later use. Now, how do you do this? Now, quickly select any post that you want to archive. Click on the three dots on the top right corner and select the archive button here. It's the third option for the recently updated version. Once you click on archive, that post will go away from your profile. But if you want to unarchive that post, quickly click on the top right corner on the hamburger menu and then select the archive option. After this, you will see that these are the posts that I've archived. You can select this top down menu to click on stories as well. These are all the stories I've archived. Yes, you can do this for stories as well. Since I'm going to show you how to do this for posts, I'll go ahead and click on posts archive. Click on the three dots again and click on show on profile to unarchive this. So as you can see, it's been removed from our archives and it is now back on our profile. So you can do this for any post that you want. You can also do this if you want to create highlights. And yes, you do not need a professional account for this. This can be done on a personal account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.